go to Play Store app or App Store, type Smart Life in it and install Smart Life app. Once app is installed, open the app. So give agree. It's an agreement, user agreement and privacy policy. Then you have to sign up. So you have to choose your country. Just provide any email ID. Then you have to again agree for privacy policy. You can just go through this user agreement if you want. If you are okay with it, you can get a verification code. So there will be a verification code will be sent to your mail ID. You will be getting a verification code and then type that verification code. So you need to set a password. Use 6 to 20 characters with a mix of letters and numbers. So I am setting a password. Once password is done, it will show what are the personalization to be done. So you just press go to app. So now you are into the Smart Life Android app. Now here we can connect with the product. So now the product should be in a docking position. Switch on the dock symbol and here there will be a on switch. Switch on the product.
Turning on.
So the product will give a voice sound as turning on.
Starting to charge.
After that, go to the app. This is the Smart Life app. So go here on plus icon will be there. Plus add device and create scene will be there. You want to click add device. So location and Bluetooth should be on. So there will be lots of icons will be displayed here. In that you should go to small home appliances. Scrolling down you will be seeing Robo vacuum Wi-Fi. You have to go through it. After that you have to type your Wi-Fi router password. It should be connect only with 2.4 GHz. So once typing the password, so there will be a pop-up message will be there. After that you should go to the product and press these two icons simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Start network configuration.
After 3 seconds product will give a sound as start network configuration. After that you have to confirm the indicator. Press this icon and you have to press blink slowly. After that it will indicate to go to your Wi-Fi connection. So just go to connect. It will automatically go to here and therefore there will be a Smart Life ID which will be displayed for PD series. You have to connect through it. So once connected that Smart Life ID, so it will be pop sound will be indicate that network configuration, please wait. After that it will be connected. So again you have to go to done. Then only the device will be added in your pop-up screen. So this is the main screen of the app. So this is the main screen of the app. So this it's just an auto cleaning. It's a pin and go cleaning. It's a room cleaning. It's zone cleaning. It's for recharging. So then its options are available in this app. So it's a remote control mode. It's remote control means it's just a manual operation we can do perform in this. So it's a map setting. Once you run the product for 20 minutes and then you can save the map. For that purpose this option is provided. And pressing this find robot, the robot will indicate a sound. It's for easy identification. We can trace the robot. You can see.
Hello, I am here. Hello, I am here.
Schedule. It's a schedule is for schedule planning. You can go inside, so we can add a schedule. Now I am setting auto cleaning and saving the map. So 10:10 the schedule planning is there. So once 10 time starts to 10:10, the product will automatically start and clean. So this for suction adjustment. 4 types of suction adjustment we can do: quiet, standard, power and max. And these wetness level same like suction for dispensing the water from water tank. So it's a continuous cleaning. This option is enabled for um, if the product run in a room for around 80 minutes and then there is a battery is low, but the remain some amount of places to be clean still. Since the product charge is low, it will come to the docking station, and once charging is completed, automatically it will go to the places where the dust are left out and it will start cleaning. For that purpose continuous cleaning option is enabled. So voice and volume, we can increase the volume, sound and languages in the product. So cleaning history, you can go through it, how many number of times and how many distance it has been covered and how many minutes product has been run. Maintenance is for accessories. So filter, HEPA filter, side brush, main brush. So once it is coming less than 10%, you can again reset and then you can change the filter. So do not disturb mode means product will won't function in that point of time. So you have to start the product from docking station. Just I have put the product in charge and just I am pressing auto cleaning. So product will cover these boundary area. So the product has started cleaning.
Successfully located. Continue.
So once cleaning is completed, the product will return back to docking station. So you can see the map also. The map will be automatically updated. The color will be changed. For saving the map, we have to go to more and then map setting. Here already the map will be like this. So you can press save. So once done, so it will indicate the save the map successfully. And if you are having a duplex homes like structures in your home, so it's a ground floor, it's a first floor, means you can save the map, you can run the product in that floor also, and you can save the map in that arena, and you can bring back to this ground floor and you can use this map. You can see here. Now I'm going to select a no-go area in this room. So go to forbidden area, select no-go zone. So it will be displayed like this. So you can adjust it and you can keep it over here. So and this no-go area should not be closer to the charging base. So I have set like this and save it. Now I will do mopping in this product. So now I am going to clean this room. So I have already selected the previously setting as mopping as high. So now I am going to clean this room with the restriction area. So we have placed a carpet in this, and we have done the no-go area in the map. So the product will come here and do mopping except this carpet. So we will see how.
Start room cleaning.
Red is no restricted, no area. Mop. So now room cleaning is completed, and the product has done mopping in this room, and it has left out the carpet. So once cleaning is completed, the product is returning to docking station. So now I am selecting pin and go how to run. So go to pin and go cleaning, and you just press any place in the room and just press go here. Product will go to the specific area and it will start cleaning. So you can see the product is running in specific area and the map is getting updated. Once pin and go cleaning is completed, it will automatically head back to docking station. Schedule, it's a schedule is for schedule planning. You can go inside, so we can add a schedule, so we can choose any time. Now time is 10:07. I am setting for 10:20, 10:10. So we can choose how many days you can repeat. So I'm repeating on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. After that you can set the suction level. I'm setting to max, and wetness level is nothing but mopping, so water dispensable. Now I don't want mopping, so I'm setting it as to dry. So cleaning portion, it's you can choose any separate room in the saved map, or you can just give a auto cleaning in that. So now I am setting auto cleaning and saving the map. So 10:10 the schedule planning is there. So once 10 time starts to 10:10, the product will automatically start and clean. So this first means product will won't function in that point of time. See, now you can see that schedule planning is getting started as the time is 10:10. Edit. So I'm making a custom one. So you can go there and you can set a option for a single room. So I'm selecting suction to max, wetness level to dry, and cleaning time to 2 times, and I will be confirm. So you can clearly see it has been updated. So now again same for this room I am updating, suction to max, wetness level dry, and cleaning time 1 time. So I'm giving a save. After that we want to go back and I have to go to room cleaning. So want to press this room and you can start a cleaning. You can choose the n number of options here. You can clearly see the product will automatically start in the what the settings we have been imported for the product. So suction is in max mode and wetness level in dry mode. Once room cleaning is completed, product will automatically will head to the docking station.
Starting to charge.
Remove the dust tank from the product. So this
The
is a
2-in-1
2-in-1
dustbin
dust
with
tank.
water tank has been removed.
So there will be
Please
a
clean the
pull button
dustbin
here.
and filter.
So you have to remove. So there will be open button for dust box. You have to press this and you have to open. So if a dust box is full means you have to pour the dust in the dustbin. So once everything is clear, you have to close this and we have to fit it here. So this is a dust box for dry suction. So and for mopping you have to again open the dust box and you have to open the 2-in-1 water tank and you have to pour water. It has a capacity of 0.3 liters. So once water is poured, so again fit this dust box in the place of its original position. So this is a mopping attachment and it's a mopping cloth. So this is the front end and it's the bottom end. To stick this mopping cloth in this mopping attachment, there is adhesive given in the mopping cloth. Now I will show how to stick this and how to attach this mopping attachment. So now mopping cloth is sticked with the mopping attachment here. Just press this. Just press it. It's just a press fit. And then attach the mopping tank, 2-in-1 electronic tank with the product.
Dustbin with water tank has been installed.
So now I am going to clean this room